Hi friends, how are you? So now I'm here to tell you about a vacancy which is there in Telangana into Rangareddy district, and Kothur is the location. So this is a new FMCG or a home care related company that is the plant has been built up recently and they have started. We are looking forward to somebody in as a maintenance officer or a supervisor. Okay, so if you have an experience or a prior experience into home care industry or personal care, so home care can be defined something like into detergents or say into soaps, okay, or from personal care. So in anything into this segment, if you have a work experience, you are the right person to contact us. And well, you should have worked for a maintenance of the machines which I'm just telling you, which is form fill seal machine, sachet packing, pouch packing, liquid filling, caping and labeling, and round mixer, DG set, dust collector. So these are some of the machines that you would be working on here for maintenance. Okay, and what is the job profile? So it would include you to do supervision and maintaining all these machines. You have to track the budgets. Okay, similarly you have to make sure that you are creating and implementing the maintenance procedures. You're assigning the repair schedules and you're evaluating the repair cost, etc., maintaining maintenance logs, if there are any improvements or any legal compliances that needs to be done, so that you have to take care of. You have to develop and implement new technologies to improve efficiency and quality for production. So these are or yeah, even if there is a team under, you would have to do a training. You have to do them a training and all. So the salary could anywhere range between 28,000 to 32,000 or 35,000 per month, and your age should be anywhere between 25 to 35. Okay, so in case if you fall into these criterias, you are the right person to apply to this. It's better if you are able to join us or at the earliest, or maybe max of a 1 month of a notice period. So my email ID is tusharhrconsultancy@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9561531678. The details are many which is putting it across in the job description, in the description below. And yeah, so you can definitely come ahead and apply. Thank you so much. Bye bye.